Hello my fellow YouTubers. Right now I'm cleaning my backyard barbecue, and as you can see it's very old, but just want to tell you to use this material. This is called FATsorb. If you can find it in your local Bunnings or hardware store. What this does is it absorbs the fat from the cooking, and you can actually clean it if you want to, like every 1 or 2 weeks. You do a lot of cooking. This has been a while since I've done it. As you can see, it completely absorbs the fat and doesn't give you the flame up, you know, like when you're cooking with high intensity oils. You know, so just to let you know, and you can clean it up just like this and just put another layer on top, or if you want to, you can clean this whole area and then start from scratch. But as you can see, I haven't cleaned it in a while, so see. Okay, so hope this helps you, and I'm going to show you the pack that I use for this. So here's the FATsorb, but as you can see, we put it underneath the sheet. Yeah, and what it does, absorbs fat to minimize stir-ups and odor, and it's safe to, you know, makes everything easy to clean. And you can get this in a bigger bag or this type of bag in a smaller bag. Okay, hope that helps you. Take care. Bye.